Prime factorization. What is the math student's favorite animal? The graph. The Indiana academic standards are 7.1.4 and 7.1.5. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and any non-zero whole number. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the least multiple that is common to all of the numbers. A factor is a whole number that divides another whole number with a remainder of 0. A composite number is a whole number that has more than two factors. 4 is the smallest composite number. A prime number is a whole number with exactly two factors, 1 and itself. 2 is the smallest prime number. Prime factorization is writing a composite number as the product of its prime factors. You probably remember calling this a factor tree. The greatest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest number that is a factor of all the numbers. In other words, what's the biggest number that goes into all of them? Pause the video at this time if you need more time to copy down the notes. We're skipping least common multiple in our notes. We're only going to work on prime factorization tonight. 17 is a prime number because its only factors are 1 and itself. 22 has more than two factors. There's 1, 2, 11, and 22. So 22 is a composite number. Now we're going to use a factor tree to write the prime factorization of 90. 2 goes into 90 45 times. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So the prime factorization of 90 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. We should use exponents, so that's going to be 2 times 3 to the second times 5. 15 is composite because it has more than two factors. The factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. The prime factorization is 72. We can work it off to the side here. Think of two numbers that go into 72. That could be 9 and 8. Then you draw a caret underneath the 9 and a caret underneath the 8 because neither of those are prime. 3 and 3 go into 9 and 2 and 4 go into 8. 3, 3, and 2 are all prime. You could put circles around those if you wanted to, but 4 isn't. So we're going to put a caret underneath 4, and then 2 and 2 can go into 4. So the prime factorization of 72 is 2 to the third times 3 to the second. That's it for tonight's notes. We're not going to do greatest common factor. We'll do some more examples in class tomorrow together, and I bet it'll all make sense.